Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word like. What word? Like. Do you like getting hugs? Do you like hugs? This is the word soon. What word? Soon. Oh, it looks like they'll be eating some cake soon. They will eat soon. This is the word this. What word? This. Do you want to wear this outfit or that outfit? Do you want to wear this or that? This is the word our. What word? Our. These are our dogs. These are our dogs. This is the word will. What word? Will. Will you help me build a tower? Will you help me build? This is the word ate. What word? Ate. It looks like he ate some watermelon. I ate some watermelon. We finished today's words. Now let's read them again. Like, soon, this, our, will, ate. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. If you want a few more ways to practice with today's words, then check out our Teachers Pay Teachers store. Be sure to check us again next time. Like and subscribe. We'll see you later.